Hello all. I've seen several comments on the discussion boards on how to effectively use Excel for cash flows. And I've been using a technique that's been working for me. I thought I'd illustrate here in the hope it'll help somebody else out. I'm going to work an example problem from the Star Finance site. It's question 9. Starbucks is considering opening another store in Chicago. Basically, it's a valuation for a Starbucks store. We need to calculate the net present value. Uh, I think Excel is ideally suited for this kind of problem because there are several years where the calculations need to be set up once and can be cut and pasted in Excel for several years to get the cash flows. So I'm going to illustrate that. So I've got Excel set up. Here is all the data from the problem in this Excel sheet. We have a 7-year valuation horizon. First year revenues are provided with a growth rate. First year cost of goods sold is provided with a growth rate. First year SG&A is provided with a growth rate. There is a zero delta working capital. It's good to just put in zero because the cash flow statement Dr. Kaul talks about in his class has working capital. So in case we want to put something in there, we can easily modify this. We have an initial investment of 3.5 million, a terminal value of 5 million, two more pieces of information that we need. Tax rate is 30%, discount rate is 7%. I'm using trial software that requires me to do only 2-minute recordings, so I'm going to pause now and continue with this example in part 2 of this video.